Hi, so this is our first time checking in on our travels, and we're here in Cologne. So we left early this morning, and now we're at a schnitzel house near the Rhine. There's Peter. Say hi, Peter.
Good morning to you. Hi, hi.
And so you can see, I'm going to turn around some, and you can see we're by the Rhine. There's some of the boats on the Rhine. You can do cruises. Sorry, that was pretty quick. And don't mean to make you dizzy, but this is really great. We're having a good time. I'm going to turn it a bit, move it so you can see the other side. We're having, I know it's early, but yes, and we're going to have schnitzel. So when you're in Germany, right, schnitzels, they're so good here, and pretzels and all of that. So we're here today, and then we're going to go to Munich tomorrow. So I'm just going to post this to say hi. You can see here, this is one of my new wigs that I'm wearing that I just got. This is Adelia, and I'll leave all the information. Beautiful silver stack bob. I know. Anyhow, this was my first travel day, and this was the one I wanted to wear. She's so cute, such a great bob. It is a little chilly here, but it's supposed to get warmer as we get down to Italy. So I just wanted to have you join us and see what a great, these are like, you know, beer houses and places to stop and eat to get your schnitzel. It's wonderful. I wish you were here. I'll keep you posted and updated of what we're doing. We're going to get ready to go. We're here. We're going to go see the big cathedral that's here. It's absolutely gorgeous. And so I'll do a little shot there and add some pictures. So I remembered I wanted to take a picture, and so I've already eaten some of it. But this is our lunch. This is a schnitzel with mushrooms and, of course, French fries. We love our French fries in Europe, too. And that's what I'm having for lunch. Here's the Cologne, here's the Dom in Cologne, the cathedral, and I'll take a lot of other little short videos and pictures. So beautiful. And they have a Christmas market here. I've got to come back for that. You should too. How incredible, how beautiful. The Dom, the cathedral in Cologne. It's beautiful. From it. So, all right, that's it. I'll see you next time. Doing my darlings.